Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of NZDUSD, New Zealand dollar, US dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. And if you want to check out the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, Pound USD, then check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel. And if you're a complete beginner, new to trading, do not have any idea about the market, then please go to the Forex and stock learning course for beginners. This is a playlist on my YouTube channel. You'll get 32 videos. This is my earnest request that please learn first before risking your hard-earned money. You cannot earn if you do not learn. So please go through these videos if you're a complete beginner. Okay, then come to the market and then you trade. So let's get started. So this is the chart of NZD USD. And if we look at the overall chart of New Zealand dollar, US dollar, then we can see that this market is kind of confusing, messed up market. Okay, because see, market was in uptrend, and after that market went sideways. There was no proper trend in the market. After that market fell big time, and right now you can see that market is in a range again. Therefore, if I zoom in, then you can clearly see that yes, there was a fall in the market, but right now market is sideways. This is a sideways market is trading in a range here. So we have got a 0.7102 on the upside as the resistance. This is the resistance for the market, and this is the support for the market, 0.6921. It is the support for the market. So these two levels are important for the chart of New Zealand dollar, US dollar right now. As we all know, trend is our friend, trend is our best friend, trend is our soulmate. And considering the thumb rule of the market, trend, if you look at the chart of NZDUSD, then we can clearly see that there is no proper trend here. So if the market would have been in uptrend, then buy. If the market would have been in downtrend, then sell. But this is a sideways market, range bound market, and in a sideways market we get trading opportunities on both the sides. Therefore, we can short the market at the resistance, and we can also go for buying order at the support here. And right now you can see that market is trading in the middle. And as I always say, never chase the market. Do not chase the market. Let the price come to you. Because see, if you go ahead and buy here, then your stop loss will be here, and this will be your take profit target. So your risk to reward ratio does not match. And if you short the market also here, your stop loss will be here, and still your risk to reward ratio does not match, because right now market is in the middle. And considering this factor only, we can clearly come to the conclusion that this is our no trading zone. So as long as market is trading in this range, we do not need to trade. Just avoid NZD USD as long as it is trading in the middle. Only look for opportunities, buying or selling opportunities at this level, at the resistance or at this support level. In case market goes up from here and hits this support level 0.7102 on the upside, then just observe the price. If you see that price is struggling near the resistance, or if you see shooting star kind of a pattern or price rejection from above, then you'll get the confirmation that yes, it is a valid resistance and you can short the market. On the other hand, if market comes down, then your job will be as a trader is to observe the market at the support level again. Just observe the market and just see how the price is reacting or how the price is doing. If you see price is struggling, or is price is struggling, or price is not trading comfortably, okay, there is some issue with the price, then do not trade. Or if you see price is in the mood of reversing, or if you see hammer kind of a pattern or price rejection from below, then you'll get a confirmation that yes, market is still respecting 0.6921 as a valid support, and you can go for buy order here. So these are the two best trading opportunity in the chart of NZD USD. And before clicking on the stop recording button, I would like to take you to the weekly chart. This is the weekly chart. Let me remove the drawings. In the weekly chart also you can see that market has formed a spinning top or doji kind of patterns for the past 2-3 weeks, which clearly indicates to us that in fact market is also confused that whether market will be going up or down. But the good thing that we get from the weekly chart is that it is just standing at the 50 moving average. And if we look at the past 4 or 5 candles in the weekly chart, that we can clearly see that market is respecting 50 moving average as a valid support for the market. And right now market is just standing at the support level. And whenever we get a scenario like this, then it is a clear indication that there is a battle going on between the bulls and the bears. There is a battle between the buyers and the sellers, and both of them are trying to take the price to their own sides, but none of them are winning. Therefore, do not trade in the middle. Let them fight. Only trade at the support level or at the resistance level. And this is the main motto of making this video, so that you do not make the same mistake and you lose your hard-earned money. So hopefully you have understood how you need to trade on NZDUSD chart. There is not much complication. Do not trade in the middle. That's it. And if you want to check the Forex sentiment meter, then go to my website avilashhajarika.com. Under Forex 101 section, you will find the Forex sentiment meter. And if you want, if you are looking for signal service, then you can also sign up for the free signal service here also. Okay. Anyways, if you go to the Forex sentiment meter here, and you can see that 58% retail traders have taken short position and 41% retail traders have taken long position. And in fact, the retail traders are also very much confused. As we all know, retail traders mainly lose money, and they are also very much confused because see, this chart, okay, this chart does not have any trend here, and the only trading opportunity is if it reverses from the support, or if it reverses from the resistance. Only trading opportunity is this only. Okay, and this is my analysis. Your analysis may vary, and if you think differently or if you have a different strategy, then please write down in the comment section. I would love to learn from you. Okay. And if you want to, if you want for the next level trading, then you can also keep your eyes in the chart of US dollar. You can see that US dollar has formed a ascending triangle pattern. In case there is a breakout in the US dollar on Monday trading session, then we may see the NZD/USD falling, because if US dollar starts going up, then euro, pound, New Zealand dollar will start going down. And considering US dollar's present chart pattern, there is a big possibility that we may see some selling pressure in the NZD/USD when dollar will be going up. So this is it. Hopefully you have understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See ya again on Monday.